Thanksgiving. Yes, Jamra.
Hello, folks. Welcome to another of our vlog series when we go around and find somewhere unique and nice in PSL to eat. Yeah. So today it is just about 60 something degrees, and I'm home getting ready to watch my son's basketball game. And the wife has said she is feeling for something sweet. So, obviously, if you're in Port St. Lucie, you have to definitely go to Sugar Up. Yeah, man. Sugar Up Ice Cream, our dessert studios. That's where we are. As you know, say happy wife, happy life, right? We're in Sugar Up, and they are conveniently located in Port St. Lucie on Torino, East Torino Parkway. It's 5309 East Torino. Well, yeah, it's on East Torino Parkway. So we definitely have to go over there. We'll get some ice cream. See the wife already in there. Seeing? And this is Sugar Up, guys. And one of the number one things that we like to do is to try the new flavors, because every time we come there is always something new. And that's one of the things we love about being over here at Sugar Up. You understand? The wife is she want to try the whole thing. Everything. Sure.
Hello and welcome to Sugared Up Dessert Studio. Here at Sugared Up, we sell gourmet cookies, cheesecakes, ice cream sandwiches, churro sandwiches, cookie combos, signature shakes. You can make a shake out of any of the flavors that we have. We offer a variety of flavors and we rotate them weekly. We carry at least 20 plus ice creams at a time. We are truly dessert outside the frame. I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope you guys can get a taste of our delicious quality food and our amazing customer service.
And I wanted to ask, is it like because I see you have some really special, like specialty flavors, like gourmet flavors. So you offer a little bit of the norm, but a little bit of the extra than the norm.
Yes, we do. Yes, we have a little bit of everything for everybody. So here we have, the stamp flavors such as cookies and cream. Although we do have a twist on our cookies and cream. It is blue. It's Cookie Monster themed. We have chocolate strawberry, the stamp flavors. And then we do rotate our flavors. We have banana cream pie sometimes. We have raspberry truffle. We have banana cheese sometimes. We have grape nut. For the people who know, and yes, we do rotate it. And not only that, we do offer things we call sugar down options, which is ice cream that is no sugar added. And we do also have non-dairy ice cream for the people who are lactose intolerant. So we try to cater to everybody here.
Awesome. And where you located again?
We are located at 5309 Northwest East Torino Parkway in Port St. Lucie, Florida. The zip code is 34986. We have specialties, and we have milkshake Mondays from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. You can create your own shake for $5, and we are open from 12:30 to 9:30 every day except for Saturday, where we close at 10 instead of 9:30.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
So hold on, she really said bun and cheese ice cream. I can't believe it.
You better believe it. It was bun and cheese in living colors. I was super duper surprised.
And it actually tastes like bun and cheese with real pieces of cheese, I might
real
add.
pieces of bun too.
Lord of
And
mercy.
whatever ice cream flavor that is that they paired it with, it works perfectly.
Trust me. And they also have Guinness or Dragon Stout ice cream.
Oh, I made a special request that they need to start doing dragon ice cream, and they did.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, she had grape nut and coffee mixed in fair flavor, and it was called grape nut and eyes wide open. Can you believe it?
So you can't sleep after you eat coffee ice cream.
Trust me. May I tell you? So as for the ratings now, out of 5, guys, we rate, everywhere that we go, we rate it from 1 to 5. And Sugar Up is definitely at the top level tier of our rating system. I'm going to be biased because I'm not a sugar type of person. And I would drop a little bit of a point from there. But for originality, for cleanliness, for great pricing, for awesome service, I would definitely jump the gun and say I would give Sugar Up like maybe 4.5 out of 5. I just totally enjoy it. And to see the wifey having a place where she can, satisfy the sweet tooth, whether it is the cookies or it is the combination or it is the shake or the straight up ice cream on a cone. You cannot beat Sugar Up. I promise you. The service is awesome. Young ladies really take care of their customers. The place is clean and smell fresh. And of course, the fact that they have added room and them have outdoor seating, all of that goes towards giving them a really high point. So, if you want to check Sugar Up out, go on over there. Let them know Yardie TV sent you. You might just get yourself a discount. Yeah, ask them for the daily special. You might end up with something nice and a good price to boot. Go over Sugar Up right now.
Are you looking for somewhere to host your next birthday party or event? We do have a private room that you can book off, and we have different party packages that can suit your needs as best as possible. So give us a call at 772-237-4416. Again, the Sugar Up Dessert Studio to cater to your parties and birthdays and events at 772-237-4416.
So that's it, guys. A quick look at Sugar Up Dessert Studio in Port St. Lucie on East Arena Parkway. I think it's going to be the wifey's new go-to spot for dessert and anytime she want to annoy me if you care for something sweet.
No doubt, no doubt. It definitely is my new favorite ice cream, unapologetically. I love it, the texture of it, and the fact that it's not overly sweet.
I like the bun and cheese too. Overall, it's a great space. You can do parties there, as was said, and it's just nice and peaceful. You have outdoor seating, and trust me, it's a nice place to go chill on a Sunday afternoon or a weekend when you don't have nothing to do.
And guys, if you're watching your health, they do offer non-sugar options for some of the foods. So you're in for good treats.
Check it out. Sugar Up in Port St. Lucie. Yardie TV says so. Remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Or no, yet. Cook and then after dinner go eat ice cream. Yeah, Sugar Up.